If your NOCO Genius Boost plus GB40 jump starter isn't charging, the issue is usually related to the charging cable, power source, or the internal battery protection system. This portable jump starter includes built-in safety electronics that may temporarily stop charging if the battery becomes overheated, deeply discharged, or connected to an unstable power supply. In many cases, the device simply needs a proper reset, a stable USB power source, or a replacement cable to restore normal charging behavior. Try these. Step 1. Connect the GB40 to a reliable USB power adapter using the original charging cable. Step 2. Check the charging port for dust or debris that might block the connection. Step 3. Observe the battery indicator lights to confirm whether the unit is receiving power. Step 4. If the device doesn't respond, disconnect it and wait about 1 minute before reconnecting the charger. Step 5. Try a different USB cable or power adapter to rule out a faulty charging accessory.